Moist air is a common fluid that is encountered in many different applications. It's something we need to understand when we are dealing with, for example, drying processes that you can find a lot, for example, in the food industry. It's also a fluid that we need to understand when describing weather and also forecasting weather. And for example, it's also something we need to properly describe when designing cooling towers. First question, what is moist air? By definition, moist air is a mixture of dry air and of water vapor. So dry air, what is it? Dry air itself is also a mixture of many gases, and it's in fixed proportion. It's the gases that we can find in Earth's atmosphere at ground level, except for water. So it's mainly composed of nitrogen and also of oxygen, and then smaller amounts of many other gases. One of the specificity of the gases in dry air is that they are very far from condensation or saturation conditions. In fact, most of them are very high above the critical pressure, so it's not exactly gases, it's more supercritical fluids that are behaving like gases, and so we can say that all these gases can be considered as non-condensable. For the water vapor, that is also called steam, so these two words are equivalent. One specificity is that the water vapor that is present in moist air is not very far from saturation conditions of water, so it may happen that some of the water vapor may in some cases condense, or that liquid water in contact with moist air may also evaporate. When we deal with the water content of moist air, we need to take into account the possible mass transfer due to evaporation or condensation of water.